Alright, so this is a video of the auxiliary input I put on my stereo. I spent about $3 on the actual jack. I just didn't like having the, it didn't look clean with the HD radio in there, so I just went back to stock, but I wanted the auxiliary port. So I wired it up through the tape deck. The tape deck still works. This is an old AC/DC tape, it's ancient. You need to have a tape in for it to work. It doesn't matter what kind of tape. And then I've got American Dad playing on the window mount on my phone. And you plug in 3.5mm jack into the port that I made.
Oh crap, Steve's friends.
Into your cupboard.
Oh good, now it's my cupboard. That doesn't make me feel like a loser.
That was awesome how you killed that ice giant. Steve, you are the king of Dragon Scuffle.
Peasant. I am not Steve.
Forgive me, O great and powerful Agathor.
As punishment for your...
The only complaint that I have about it is you need to have the whatever you're using turned up pretty high in order to get appreciable sound out of the auxiliary port. But compared to one of those stupid tape things with the wire hanging out, it's like excellent. You got CD quality sound. It's 10 times better than one of those stupid tape things, and it looks 10 times better in my opinion. And I still get my steering wheel controls, everything still works. If I go back to AM, FM, all my steering wheel controls work. My volume. And I've still got, if I turn on the car, I've got my temperature controls.